How you doing? Dave Barodinelli here with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the 2021 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. Starting in the aft, this boat has a new Mercury Verado 300 V8s, of course with joystick control. Here in the aft, we do have a hideaway transom seat, standard. And also on the port side, we have the optional fold-out seat here as well. Centrally located, we have all of our pumps, generator, macerator pumps, everything is located here in the pump room, so very easy access. Both port and starboard, big fish boxes insulated with macerators. And then you have your standard live well here in the aft in the right place. Coming forward here, this port side seat is really nice. You can sit facing forward as you can see, or very easily you can return this and you get a nice seat here, and that's a great spot for if you're fishing or entertaining. Also, this boat is equipped with the optional summer kitchen. You've got a nice Kenyon electric grill here. Hides away very nicely. Of course, you got tackle storage and a pull-out Yeti cooler. On this boat, we did the optional cockpit refrigerator, so you got an isotherm fridge here. You also have your second isotherm fridge here. And then, of course, the third one you'll see when we go down in the galley. You have a freshwater sink and prep station here on the starboard side behind the helm. On the port side, you'll see this boat right now has the filler cushion in, so a nice area for lounging. And of course, this can get removed. There's a table that goes in the middle, and you can have this for a dining station. This here, you'll see there's cockpit air and heat inside of here. Controls up here, Dometic. Sky hatches that open up, so you can get some fresh air in here. This boat has the full side glass windows, you'll notice. And all of our whalers, of course, equipped with full Marine electronics, two 16-inch touchscreens, radar, GPS, everything you would expect in this boat, and your Mercury Smartcraft for all your engine diagnostics here. Fusion radio, everything's really nicely labeled, all backlit for your switches. Joystick control with skyhook, and of course your digital throttle and shift. You'll notice this middle window here, this is a power window. You'll see down here there's a vent, so you can open this up and you can get some more airflow here in the cockpit area. Coming down into the cabin, you see that right now we've got our V-berth with our beautiful high gloss teak table. This is a power table that will go up, down, and then your two side berths here will come together automatically with the touch of a switch, and that'll create a nice big berth forward. Here on the starboard side, you'll notice we've got a couch here, nice long couch. You do have storage underneath, and this will pull out as well too. And so you can drop your, you can drop your cushions in here and make another berth. And then naturally we have our aft cabin, which does convert to a berth. This boat just arrived from the factory, so excuse the radar and the props, but there's a big area back there for two more adults. Flat screen TV mounted on the bulkhead. Really nice AC/DC panel with your ignitions, generator, start-stop, everything labeled. On our port side, you'll see we've got our galley, single burner stovetop. Here is our third isotherm fridge. Beautiful countertops, really nice backsplash. They really sharpen the boat up. Microwave, and then here you're gonna have your head in the aft. Of course, vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold shower. So again, Dave Barodinelli here at MarineMax Boston aboard the brand new 2021 Boston Whaler 345 Conquest. For more information, please call me at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.